One last, real test I wanted to do with the headphones was I wanted to just test out the sound quality. I know it's hard because this is only really meant for one person to listen to, but I'm gonna try to just put it next to the microphone and see how that works out. So I'm just gonna play, I think, a song that really is good for sound quality. It's called "Blessed and Free" by Kane Brown and Her. So I can hear it from myself, It's good. Let's just raise the volume a little bit. All right, everyone. All right. So the one last thing I wanted to test with these headphones, forgot I had them on, with the headphones, was how they work with the DJ software. So I currently have Rekordbox 5.0 on my computer right now, and as you can see, just a second. As you can see from my computer, I have Rekordbox 5.0 on my computer, and I am going to pretty much play, having two different tracks going at the same time, just see how well the headphones work with that. So we have our demo track 1 and then demo track 2 on the left. Then we're just gonna be playing them both at the same time. Now we're going to fade tracks to see how well it can handle the fade and handle different songs playing at the same time. So I think that the headphones actually handled it pretty well. I didn't notice like any problems with the music, any problems with the sound quality. So I think that yes, these headphones can definitely be used for your DJ set, for anything with DJ. Obviously, I know that if you really were going full out DJ, you'd probably buy like $300 headphones. But if you're a low budget DJ, these are some quality headphones you can use for your gigs. Thank you. Hey everyone. Good morning, guys. Good morning. So right now I wanted to do a little quick test to test pretty much the noise canceling of the headphones right here. So I'm going to be playing some music from the computer, which is wired to the headphones, and my friend here will be clapping and snapping and making all sorts of noises to see if I can really hear it through the music of the headphones. And then we're also going to try it again without playing music. All right, let me just get my music on. All right, you can clap. So I can hear the claps because they are pretty loud. So, but it is a bit muffled. So can you try snapping? So I actually did not hear the snaps that time, which is really good to show, the noise cancellation of the headphones. Now we are going to try it again without playing music. I'm just going to have my headphones like this. You can snap. So the noise canceling is a lot better when you're playing music, because I can pretty easily hear the snap and hear the clap from the outside. But I think it also depends on how loud your music is played. But for the most part, these headphones do have noise cancellation. You know, it's not active, which means it's not happening all the time, but it does occur. What is your name?
Jenna Bell.
What are you here for?
I'm here to review headphones.
Would you like to see the headphones?
Yeah. Thank you.
What do you think of them?
They're very cool. They're movable. The ear part moves. They're more heavy than regular headphones, but they seem very bulky and secure. Should I try?
You want to? Yeah, go ahead. You want to listen to some music?
Yeah.
Let's just play some music. Jenna, hello? Can you hear me?
So first, these headphones are very cool because if I shake my head, these won't come off. So they're very secure on my head. Also, these are noise cancellation headphones, so I can't hear a thing when I play music or talk.
Hello?
So they're noise canceling and they shape my head, and you can move them to where it fits your head. And yeah, very cool.
Are they comfortable?
Yeah.
Awesome. Thanks for interviewing with us.
Thank you for having me.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Hi. So I am going to be giving my overall thoughts on the microphone. Sorry, the headphones. Right now, I'm currently recording with the Mayono microphone that they sent me, the USB microphone, which is really nice product. I highly recommend you checking out my review video previously on my channel. But let's just start out with the headset, the headphones. I mean, wow, where do I even begin? But before we do all that, let's just start out quickly. I just wanted to mention the Mayono giveaway that's happening. They are actually doing an annual giveaway, and they're giving away 7 different products, which are very nice products, to just random people who just who fill out the little landing page and everything. They're giving away a portable podcast studio, which is very nice. And you know, I don't personally have it, or I haven't used it, but I can just tell, you know, by the fact that these Mayono products are this good, that's definitely going to be really good. They are also giving away the portable wireless microphones, so this thing's kind of like clip onto your shirt here, and it also gives you a transmitter so you can be far away from the camera and still hear awesome sound from it, which is really nice. And then they're also giving away a USB condenser microphone, somewhat like this one, except I think a bit higher quality. But I highly recommend you participate in the giveaway, because they're very nice products, and it's nothing's hurting you at all by entering it. The deadline is January 15th, so if you want to do that, you should definitely do it soon. Now, let's get on to the actual headphones. The first thing I wanted to mention is, right when I take it out of the box, the feel, you know, the luxury feel of the headphones is just insane. You know, they feel so nice. The finish is so nice. You can feel the top. It feels like really nice. It feels like leather almost. And we have the little band right here, which is kind of a bit of like a mesh fabric, which is very nice. And then we just have the actual headphones themselves. You take it out and they're just like all flippy and stuff, and you're like, wow, these are like actual good headphones, you know. Then you put them on, and the fit on your ear is just nice. It's really, really nice. Feels good. Feels good. And then just this little cord, you know, it's a little curled up. It looks so cool. It feels smooth. But I would say the exterior of these headphones is definitely top-notch quality. Next, can't just have exterior, you know, we have to actually have good sound. So you put them on, you know, plug them into whatever you're listening to, your computer, your iPhone, anything. And you are like amazed by the sound quality. I mean, the sound quality of these little headphones are insane. They are absolutely insane. This is probably, I would just be honest right now, better than AirPods sound quality. Because of the immersive sound, you know, the sound experience. I'm just going to play a little quick song and just remind myself of how good the quality is, you know. I mean, it's actually insane. I think the sound quality on these headphones are just amazing. They surround you. It's like surround sound, and you can feel the bass, which is something really, really spectacular, because in most headphones you're not gonna feel the bass. And the sound volume of these headphones is also really good. You know, it goes loud. It's not that quiet, which is very nice. The next thing I wanted to talk about is the noise canceling part of these headphones. You know, this isn't really advertised on the box or anything. It just kind of says studio headphones. And it's really not advertised on the box, the noise canceling. It says high isolation earmuffs, but they don't really mention directly the noise canceling. So when you hear the music and your friend's trying to talk to you, you can't really hear your friend, which is amazing, you know. If you're in an airport or something, someplace busy, and you just want to listen to some maybe music or something with these headphones, they are very, very good for noise canceling. The last thing I wanted to talk about is the comfortability. These headphones are really comfortable, like top-notch comfortable. They let you move the earmuffs in several different ways. You know, you can even use them as DJ headphones by twisting this, like so, or like so. I think it's this one that does it, like twisting it like so. But the comfortability level of these headphones is very, very good. It's not gonna make your ears hurt or anything. So if you do plan on purchasing, which I highly recommend, use it to your best of your ability, because these are really great. The only thing I would say is that they are a little bit big if you wanted to use them as everyday headphones. You know, you just wanted to use them like every day on the train or the bus or anything. They are a little bit big for that, just big to carry. But if you want to use these at home for studio, anything, just literally watching a movie, they are really, really good. Thanks for watching.
This is that ice cold Michelle fight for that white gold. This one for them hood girls, them good girls, straight masterpieces. Styling, wildin', living it up in the city. Got Chuck's on with Saint Laurent. Gotta kiss myself, I'm so pretty. I'm too hot.